Hey guys, David Gerard here. I am the comic book creator of Ed Kills the Dead. A lot of yous out there all know what I've been doing. It's been almost 4 years now that I've been doing these comics. It's all dark horror with monsters and zombies. Super fun. And I am the writer, illustrator of all these issues. And super excited. Today's unboxing day. So I have my new release for Volume 2 edition of my hardcovers. I am super stoked. Like, these books are like beautiful. Like, I can't get over how like nice they turned out. So, unboxing. Let's see what we got here. So, anybody out there who's been following me, y'all know what I've been doing, and y'all, I really wanted to just send out my appreciation for everybody out there who's been supporting me. I couldn't thank you enough. I appreciate all like the effort, like just you guys going out of your way, reading my content, reading my comics. Like, I just enjoy watching people like just love what I do. Like, that's what it's all about, right? So here it is. There's the book for Volume 2. Check it out. So I have the whole cast in here. You got Dr. Briggs. You got the super soldiers. You have the mutant zombie in the background. He plays a big role in this comic, in this novel, sorry. And you got my main character, Ed. You got Lindsay, and you got Grayson over here in the corner. So everybody plays a major role in this storyline. So this volume starts a new chapter in a storyline. So, and here on the back, we got the premise of the story, got the title, and then, some more artwork in there. But what you see is what you get. So if you love the artwork, you're going to get this in the interiors. It's all done in black and white. Check this out. This is the kind of quality you're going to get. Very detailed. You're going to love it. So I got a limited stock. So anybody who wants to grab their own copy, you will have it signed and shipped out immediately. So please let me know right away and I'll hook you up. And if you're also interested, please go check out my link at www.edkillsthedeadcomics.com. You will see everything available on there. All my comics, my new hardcover. I just posted a link for my new novel that I just showed you. So please reach out to me and I'll hook you up. I even got some custom t-shirts I can get you. All right, cool. And just want to thank everybody out there. And thanks for your time. Thanks for watching this. I'll see you next time. Thank you.